Welcome to the Sembot channel. Today we will show you how to map your product feed with Sembot. From the Feed tab, add an input feed by clicking the Add New Feed button. Name it. Add a link. Set the update time. Click the Set Mapping button and go to Mapping. The visible attributes on the left are the attributes that the system detected in the input file. The system detects attributes that are in the first positions in the input file. It may happen that, for example, the 1000th product contains some other attribute. In such a situation, click the Add Field button and add an attribute from the list. You can also define it by clicking Add New Column. You can name the attribute any way you need. For example, we either give the name of an attribute that you will not find on the list, for example color, and map it on the right side with an attribute from the list that will appear in Sembot. You can add a new column, which you can name according to your needs. It may happen that you need another custom label if you have already used all custom labels from 0 to 4. So you add another column, which you will call Custom Label 5. Click Add Column and the new column will appear in Sembot. Now map it to a column from the drop-down list or define a new column name if it is not listed. Click Add Column. This column will appear in the list and will already be mapped. The mapping is now ready. On the left side, there are the attributes that the system found in the input feed along with the column you defined, and on the right side, there are columns that will be in Sembot in the Your Products tab. If there is an attribute on your store's website that our system has not mapped automatically, you should map such an attribute manually. However, you should first find out what such an attribute means. For example, build URL. There is no such attribute on the right side. First, find out what this attribute means on the platform's website, such as Shopify. You will find information in the specifications of the platform on which the store is created. So in our example, build URL will mean imagine link. So add this attribute and save. Once the peak is mapped correctly, you can proceed to the next steps. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to the Sembot channel if you want to stay up to date with information about our tool and news from the world of technology, performance marketing, and AI. See you in the next episode.